Hey everybody, Troy from the Do-It-Yourself world. Got a package in the mail here.
I'm gonna cut myself with this knife.
Oh, got all kinds of stuff in here. What is all in here? We got more than I expected. Surprise. Wow. Whew. All kinds of stuff from Olight. I knew this was coming, okay, but now here there's a bunch of stuff here. There's a i3E EOS mono output keychain LED flashlight. I'm gonna have to look at what these are. No idea. I'll have to check that out. And this I knew was coming. This is a heavy box. Eternal 3 CU limited edition. I'm thinking CU is copper. Well, I'm going to open this up. I'm going to actually open up everything, but I want to see what's in here. Let me get this here, because I can't tell from the box what we have here. There's a little record player thing. Little happy note. Look at that. Tiny little, tiny little light. Look at that little thing. Ooh, bright little thing. Huh? I'll have to check out the specs on that. I'll get to all of these later. Alright, but my main thing was about this one today, and I'll come back to all these in a separate video. This one's opening for me. Alright, heavy, thick packaging. That's impressive. There's thank you right in the box. It's always impressive when a company has really good packaging. Actually, plastic. Read me. Oh, there's a couple little notes I gotta check here. Oh, look at that. Wow, that is heavy. That's all metal. Wow. Look at that. I got a pull tab in here to open this box. What do we got down in here? There's a user manual. I'm going to need to look at that. Look at this. It's arc-filled limited edition. Look at all that. Wow. I don't know. I'm going to have to check probably multiple languages here. We'll come back to that. Wow. That's real metal. So this is in a protective plastic package to keep it from oxidizing, and there's a deoxidizer right inside. Wow, I can't believe that's real metal. Now it says it comes in lockout mode, so press and hold the center button for about 1 second until something comes on. I'm not going to look at it. Oh yeah, laser comes on. Now we're out of lockout mode. This comes with a very unique charger. This has not only a flat cable, which is convenient to work with, but a magnetic. Wow, that snaps right into place. Magnetic charger. Really unique. They also say don't be careful not to short that out. Interesting. Boom. Snaps right in place. Jumps right on there. Now this has some various modes besides laser, which is fun with cats, or pointing things out on a instructional video. But it also has, if you flip the dial, there's normal light and there's laser. It also has some various modes which I'll show you outside. It's got, I'm just going to tell you about them. It's got turbo, which is 1,000 lumens, and it's got high, which is 300 lumens. Then it's got medium, which is 60 lumens, low, which is 15 lumens, and a setting they call moon, which is 1 lumen. And I'll show you all that outside. By the way, the laser on there, I'm not going to turn it on and destroy my camera, but the laser, it has a 0.39 milliwatt, I think it is, and it lasts for 122 hours, which is great. Many hours of fun. There's also this i3E EOS mono output keychain LED flashlight, and we're gonna cover this one and the little guy in a separate video. But for now, I just wanted to cover everything that was in the box, this being the main topic. This has aircraft grade aluminum, anti-scratch, hard anodizing. It has, let me see, ultra compact, mighty flashlight. 90 lumens, lasts for 45 minutes, and goes out to 44 meters length. Looks like it's shockproof to 1.5 meters, which is, what is that, 7.5 feet or something like that, 7-9 feet. So we'll be checking that and that out in a separate video. But let's take you out and show you what this thing is like outside. Well, I got the flashlight out here, and we're going to check it out and see how it works in the dark. It's got multiple settings, so let's start on the lowest. If you long press the center button, there's a couple functions on here to go through, but if you long press the center button, you go from low, medium to high, and back to low again. It's really fast on this light. Really fast moving through the settings. But low is, well, you can see it's not ultra bright and doesn't go very far, but you can see for like walking in the woods at night, it's perfect for low level lighting for getting by or reading a book or something and not disturbing somebody. And then you got your medium, which is a little bit further. There you can see the light, but it doesn't go too far. Medium is a lot better, I think, for walking around. And then you got your high. Now this is my preferred one in this flashlight right here. And now you can see my wood piles over here. Oh, my dog is upset with me. Just a minute. Now in high, you can see out here, see my wood piles. It's a pretty nice beam. Pretty wide angle too for on high. I like the high. This is my favorite setting on this one. I pretty much see around. Now if you double click, you get turbo. And if you triple click, well, let's look at turbo. You can see way clear out here in the night. There's all my firewood piles, the back of the fence line over there. Camera doesn't do it justice. I can see way better than it shows. And then you triple click and you're going to get strobe. That shows up on the camera. And then back to your normal mode where I like high. I do like high on this. Now there's something here. Every time you press something on this light, it shows the battery charge status. If you shut it off, it shows it for a second. And every time after you turn it on, or every time you click a button, it shows the status of charge. There's 4 LEDs, and that's convenient. It shows it every time you click it. But then it goes off to save power. That's convenient. Now, there's something else on here. If you rotate, there's a round dial on here, and you get this laser. Look at that. I mean, on camera at night, that's showing up. I mean, that is impressive. We're looking at you see that? What am I? I'm losing it on my display. There it is. Yeah, you can see that right there. You can see that. I'm looking at 150 feet on my fence back there. And that's really impressive for a laser pointer. That's really, really good. And when you can see it that well on a camera in the dark, that's really impressive. Look at that. Looks like a firefly. Oh, wow. Wow. That cat wants it bad.
That was fast.
Wow. Poor Felix doesn't have a chance. Right now there's a special Black Friday sale going on, and if you get this here, you'll also get these as a gift in the box. So I'll put the links down below and you can check out. They have what they're calling a flash sale. Actually started yesterday. I've been working on security outside, and it lasts until the 28th at midnight, a minute before midnight Eastern Standard Time. So check it out, guys. I'll put the links down below, and go ahead and get your gifts for Christmas. These are really, really awesome quality lights. Please do like this video, subscribe if you haven't, and go ahead and get these where you can. Get them for Christmas. Talk to you all later.